Here with the 2010 Chevy Impala, and this will be a quick reference video for replacing the front brake pads and rotors, so let's get started.
Jungle. Rocking the stupid dope mix.
I'm using this part of the subframe as a jacking point so I can lift the entire front end off the ground, which gives me easy access to both sides. Then set jack stands under the pinch weld on either end for safety. Engage the e-brake, then pop the hood and remove the cap from the master brake cylinder to prevent pressure buildup when we compress the caliper piston. I'm using a 21mm socket to remove the lug nuts, and since we have both front tires off the ground, I'm turning the steering wheel to gain better access to our two caliper fasteners that you'll need a 13mm socket for removal. So before removing the caliper, I'm using the old seat clamp method to compress the caliper pistons with the pad still in place. Then remove the caliper and I hang mine to the strut so it's not dangling by the brake hose. The caliper bracket is held in place with two fasteners. You'll need a 15mm socket for removal. This rotor is held in place with a retaining screw. You'll need a T30 Torx screwdriver, or in my case, I'm using a T30 Torx bit for removal. The new rotors are CarQuest part number YH145654P from Advanced Auto Parts, and I'm removing the packing grease with a rag and brake cleaner before installation, which is reversal removal. So before reinstalling the bracket, check to make sure the guide pins can slide in and out freely. If not, you'll need to remove, clean, and apply lubricant before reinstallation. The new brake pads are Wagner part number QC1159, and they come with new hardware to use. And of course, the opposite side is done the exact same way. Don't forget to tighten the cap on the master brake cylinder and pump the brake pedal until firm before driving.